So you want to rotate something smoothly instead of snapping. That's RInterp To, which is Rotator Interpolation. Now, to get this node, just type in RInterp To, and it will appear like this, and you will get this node where we have a current rotation, target rotation, delta time, interrupt speed, and a return value. Now let's just remove it because we have a simple logic planned here where we have a target rotation which is 000 and a current rotation which can be anything. So we are getting the actor's rotation and we are going to the target rotation, and the delta time is delta seconds simply, and the interrupt speed is 1 for now. So I think this logic is perfect, and you can change the interrupt speed according to you. Like it is 1 for now, so it will change like quite fast. Then we are setting the rotation. So let's just compile and see what happens first. So now we just change the rotation. We already did something, but I think, yeah, let's rotate a bit more like this. This is perfect. This is awesome now. Yeah, so it's very far from 000. So if we press begin play, it will try to change as fast as you can see. It happened very fast, but still you can see some remnants of it. Like as you can see it didn't just change the shape to 000. It did it very slowly. But let's change the interrupt speed to 0.5, the half of which currently it moves. So let's just do it, and as you can see, yeah, now you can see how smoothly it's trying to rotate. So it is super useful. Now we can just experiment with the speed and rotation and everything. Now why we use it? Because snapping cameras or AI feel junky. Our Interp it to give smooth natural turning, like turrent slowly tracking the play for a character blending into a turn. You see in many games which are like modern Call of Duty or something like that, or even normal mobile games as well. When a turrets just move according to the player, they move very smoothly towards the player's rotation. Now it is actually also used for AI enemy looking at the player, or cameras that should feel weighted instead of robotic. Without this, everything feel like a cheap FPS snap. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.